This video will show you how to create your own CLO-SET account for free, and also how to download the practice files in the video descriptions of the following tutorials. If you click the links for the practice files in the video descriptions, it will take you to the CLO-SET website, CLO-SET.com. Here you'll need to create an account. To create an account, click Sign Up here at the bottom and just enter your email address and create your own password. If you already have a CLO-SET account, you can sign in here. Once you've signed in, it will take you to the link that you clicked in the video description. Here are all the files that are linked to the simulation and particle distance video that are available for practice. To download the file, hover in the top right-hand corner and click the three dots that pop up. Choose the option to download, and then you can simply open the file. We ask that you please don't do anything in these public workrooms other than download the files. Thanks, and enjoy the tutorials.